when you consider all these four aspects, you manage to build a perfect AI agent. So last week we were looking at agentic loops, the pipelines where we route tasks to specific models, and also the retrieval augmented generation, which is called RAG, whereby embed documents in a vector DB, we retrieve them and we augment a prompt. So then today's agenda is going to look at the introduction of an AI agent, memory, short-term and long-term, so design and integration, planning, cases, these agents